See friends, in this session we will discuss some other reasoning number series problems which are given in the previous competitive exams. See friends, first one 8, 12, 24, 60, 180. See friends, 8, 12, 24, 60, 180. See friends, in the previous sessions I told you that first we have to go for the difference. See friends, here what is the difference? 4. Here what is the difference? 12. Here what is the difference? 36. Here what is the difference? 120. See friends, 4, 12, 36, 120. Here difference is much more. So definitely there may be a chance for multiplication or a division. See friends, if the difference is less, then there may be a chance for addition or subtraction. If the difference is more, then definitely there may be a multiplication or a division. See friends, how 8 will become 12? See friends, how 8 will become 12 with the multiplication? See friends, 8 into 1.5 become 12. Then how 12 become 24? 12 into 2. How 24 become 60? 2.5. How 60 become 183? See friends, next what is the answer? See friends, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, then 3.5. See friends, the answer is how much? 3.5. 183 are 540. Half of the 180, 90. Then answer is 630. See friends, answer is 630. See friends, if difference is more, then definitely there may be a multiplication or a division. What I observed here, see how 8 will become 12. 8 into 1.5 multiplication. So 12 into 2, 24. 24 into 2.5. 60 into 3. 180 into 3.5. 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. So 180 into 3.5, how much? 630. See friends, if you practice number of times this type of problems, then only we will get this type of thoughts. Otherwise we won't get it friends, because there are so many additions, subtractions, squares, cubes, division, so many are there. But if you practice it, then we can get it out. This type of solution also should be there. There may be a chance for multiplication. There may be a chance for multiplication with 0.5 or 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, like that is there. So that type of thoughts also will come in the examination. If you practice more, then the thoughts will come immediately by seeing the problem itself. So friends, answer is 630. See friends, next problem. 3, 4, 10, 33, 136. Friends, if you practice more, while reading the numbers itself, we will get the answer. See friends, what is there here? 3, 4, 10, 33, 136. 3, 4 become 4. How 3 will become 4? Either 3 into 1 plus 1. Without 3 into 1 plus 1, it should not become 4. 3 into 1 plus 1. Here 4 into 2 plus 2. 10 into 3 plus 3. 33 into 4 plus 4. 136 into 5 plus 5. See friends, 3 into 1 plus 1. 4 into 2 plus 2. 10 into 3 into 3 plus 3. Into 4 plus 4. Then here into 5 plus 5. See friends, why I choose in multiplication? As I told in the previous sessions, here difference is more than 100, almost 103. So definitely there may be a chance for multiplication. If there is a more in the difference, if there is a much in the difference between the numbers, definitely there may be a chance for multiplication. So here 3, 4, 10, 33, 136. See friends, here difference is 1, here 6, here 23, here 103. See friends, here difference is 103 more. So if the difference is more, definitely there may be a chance for multiplication. So straight away I went for multiply 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 into 1 plus 1, 4. 4 into 2 plus 2, 10. 10 into 3 plus 3, 33. 33 into 4 plus 4, 136. Then 136 into 5 plus 5. What is the answer? 135 into plus 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15 plus 3, 18. 5 1 are 5 plus 6. Then plus 5. 685. See friends, answer is 685. See friends, if you practice more, straight away we will get here by seeing the problem itself. Yeah, it is 3, 4, 10, 33, 136. That means difference is more. So there may be a chance for multiplication. How 3 will become 4? What is the nearest multiple of 3 nearer to 4? Then 3 into 1 plus 1, 4 into 2 plus 2, 10 into 3 plus 3, 33 into 4 plus 4, 136 into 5, 136 into 5 plus 5. Then answer is 685. No need to write all these things. To understand the problem, I am telling this one, friends. If you go for this in examination, we won't get much time to complete the entire exam. So go for like this. Straight away you will write the answer above the problem itself and you get it the answer. If the difference is more, definitely there may be a chance for multiplication. Easily we can understand how we will get the solution. See friends, here answer is 685. See friends, next problem. 16, 17, 13, 22, 6. See friends, here what we are observing while reading the numbers itself, decreasing and increasing series is there. Here plus 1, here minus 4, here again plus 9, here minus 16. That means decreasing and increasing series. And also difference is also less only. So here if the difference is less and the increasing decreasing series is there, then definitely addition and subtraction should be there. See friends, 16, 17, 13, 22, 6. Go for difference. Here 1. That means plus 1. Here difference is 4. That means minus 4. Here difference is 9. Plus 9. Here difference is 16. Minus 16. See friends, I am always telling you, we have to keep squares of the numbers and cubes of the numbers on our fingertips. See friends, 1, 4, 9, 16. What is this? Squares of the numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Next what will come? 5 square. That means 25. See friends, plus, minus, then here plus will come. Then 6 plus 25, how much? 31. See friends, at least up to 30 squares and cubes we should keep on our fingertips. Then it is easy. See friends, here itself we can write it. Here a difference is 1, here a difference is 4, here a difference is 9, here a difference is 16. Here plus 1, here minus 4, here plus 9, here minus 16. Then here plus will come. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, here 5 square. That means 25. 6 plus 25, 31. So here itself answer we will get 31. It is a fraction of seconds. First we have to understand the procedure. Simple process, we just identify the difference between the numbers and we have to find the logic behind the numbers. Then easily we will get the answer. See friends, 31 is the answer. See friends, next problem. 1, 4, 18, 44, 83. See friends, first we have to write the difference. 1, 4, 18, 44, 83. See friends, here what is the difference? 3. Here what is the difference? 14. Here what is the difference? 26. Here what is the difference? 39. Then what should be the difference here? See friends, 3, 14, 26, 39. How 3 will become 14? Plus 11. How 14 will become 26? That means 12. That means I am writing the difference again. 3, 14, 26, 39. See friends, here these are not the cubes of any number, squares of the any numbers, and also not the multiples also. Then again we have to go for some difference between the numbers. Sometimes they may give problems like this also. So now again I am going for difference, because here these are not the squares, cubes, or multiples of any number. So again I am going for difference. Here difference is 11, here difference is 12, here difference is 13, then here difference should be 14. See friends, 11, 12, 13, 14. Every time he is adding. That means 39, 14, how much? 53. Here what he is doing? 1 plus 3, 4 plus 14, 18 plus 26, 44 plus 39, 83 plus 53. 83, 53 is 136. That means answer is 136. See friends, sometimes we may go for 2 times difference. Again we have to find the difference between the difference of the numbers. See friends, here difference is 3, 14, 26, 39, 53. These are not the nearer to any cubes also. See friends, 3, 14, 26, 39, 53. are not nearer to any square and any cubes of the numbers, and also not the multiples of any number also here. So again I went for difference. 3, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 3 plus 11, 14 plus 12, 26 plus 13, 39 plus 14, 53. 83 plus 53, 136. See friends, answer is 136. Here also we can write it too. Here difference is 3, here difference is 14, here difference is 26, here difference is 39. So here we have to find what is the difference. See friends, here nothing is there. These numbers are not nearer to any cubes, any squares of the numbers. So again I went for difference. Here 11, here 12, here 13, next 14 will come. That means 3 plus 11, 14, 14 plus 12, 26, 26 plus 13, 39, 39 plus 14, 53. So here what he is doing every time? Every time he is adding plus, plus, plus. So 83 plus 53, how much? 136. Answer is 136. See friends, next problem. 12, 13, 17, 26, 42. Friends, every time you just go for difference. Then if you find the difference, then easily we will get the logic behind the numbers. See friend, what is the difference here? 1 plus 1. Here what is the difference? 4 plus 4. Here what is the difference? 9 plus 9. Here what is the difference? 16 plus 16. Then what is the difference here? See friends, 1, 4, 9, 16. Then what will be here? 25. What is this? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. See friends, this type of questions also definitely will come. But we have to practice more, then easily we will get it. First we have to find the difference, then we have to find the logic behind the numbers. Here 1 means 1 square, 2 means 2 square, sorry 4 means 2 square, 9 means 3 square, 16 means 4 square, then 5 square will come. Then every time he is adding, then 42 plus 25, how much? 67. Answer is 67. Straight away we can write here 1, here 4, here 9, here 16. That means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, then 5 square will come. 5 square means 25. Then he is adding every time. Then 42 plus 25, how much? 67. So answer is 67. Hardly fraction of second. In fraction of seconds we will get the answer. No need to wait. No need to solve all these things. Easily we will get in the number series problems. See friends, the number series very easy problems. Easily we will get the marks in number series. But we have to practice. We have to practice more. Then easily we will achieve the marks. Maximum marks we will get it. Within time, with no time we will get a maximum marks. But we should know the squares of the numbers, cubes of the numbers. If you keep all this on our fingertips, then easily we will get the good number of marks in number series.